Hello everyone! The New Year and Christmas holidays are just around the corner. So today our video masterclass of creating flowers from crepe paper will be called Christmas Star. We will need crepe paper, red number 580, green number 591, dark green number 16A8. I advise you to buy the Italian paper with a density of 180 grams. You can use only one shade of green paper. I have two colors on hand, so I will use both of them. Floristic wire of 1 or 2 mm in diameter, yellow and red acrylic paint. Small floristic midsections. If you don't have them, you can pick something like this from crepe paper. The color of the core doesn't matter. Anyway, we will paint them. Scissors, pencil, ruler and glue gun. Let's get started. First of all, we should color our midsections. Take the yellow and red paint. Color the middles. Remove the excess paint and leave them to dry. Now let's get to the petals. To create them, you need to cut 6 pieces of red crepe paper, their size is 7 by 7 centimeters. Another 6 pieces of red crepe paper, their size is 10 by 10 centimeters. 3 pieces of green paper, their size is also 10 by 10 centimeters. And 3 dark green work pieces for the leaves of the flower. Their size is 14 by 14 centimeters. I can make a Christmas star of giant size, about 2 meters in height and of 60 to 80 centimeters in diameter. But be sure to write about it in comments, so I know whether you will be interested in such a masterclass. And will you make a huge flower for Christmas like this? Okay? So, cut the floristic wire into 2 equal parts. As we have 12 petals and 6 leaves, we will need 18 pieces of wire. Cut the petal cornerwise. Turn it over the way I'm showing you on the screen. A corner with a shallow corrugation will be the top. If you do this way, the petal will be sloppy. Of course, you can shape it, but the top will be unsightly. So put the pieces of paper in such a way as you can see on your screen, and the petal will turn out precise. Start gluing. Trim the corners. Give the petal the shape of a poinsettia leaf. No template is needed. Now give the petal texture with your nail. The wire can be wrapped with a strip of crepe paper or a florist tape. I wrap the wire with a florist tape. Do the same with the rest of the petals. Now all the petals are prepared. Let's gather now all these parts in one flower. That's the kind of Christmas star flower I've got. Now let's make the twigs. They are being formed just like the petals. You can pour small sea pebbles on the bottom of the pot or close it with sisal. Here's the kind of poinsettia I've got. If you like the video lesson, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to write in the comments whether you want to see a masterclass about how to make a giant poinsettia for a Christmas photo shoot, for me to understand whether it's necessary to create it for you.